Fire in the hole, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, fire in the hole. This expression is quite unique and carries a lot of history and usage behind it. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English idioms and phrases, you're in the right place. Let's explore what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in conversation. Fire in the hole is a warning phrase that has its roots in mining operations. Historically, miners used it to signal that an explosive charge had been set and was about to be detonated. The warning was crucial for the safety of the workers, allowing them to find cover and avoid the blast. This phrase is a great example of how specific terms can evolve from technical jargon to more general usage. While its origins are quite serious and safety-oriented, the phrase has been adopted by various other fields and even into common speech. Today, fire in the hole is not limited to mining or even to situations involving actual explosives. It's used in various contexts to signal that something impactful, sudden, or potentially dangerous is about to happen. Here are a few examples. In military contexts, it may still be used during training exercises or operations to indicate the imminent detonation of a device. In popular culture, movies, and video games, the phrase adds a touch of realism and urgency, often used right before an explosion occurs. In everyday life, it might be used humorously or metaphorically to warn of an impending event, like someone about to drop a surprise announcement or start an action that cannot be stopped. Understanding when and how to use fire in the hole can be quite fun and adds to your English language prowess. Here are a few tips. Context is key. Use it in situations where you want to warn others of something imminent, especially if it's sudden or disruptive. Tone matters. Depending on your tone, it can be serious or playful. Make sure your tone matches the situation to avoid misunderstandings. Know your audience. While it's a phrase known to many English speakers, remember that not everyone may be familiar with its origins or meaning. And that's a wrap on Fire in the Hole. We hope this video has illuminated the origins, meanings, and uses of this fascinating phrase. English is full of interesting idioms and expressions, and learning them not only helps with fluency but also enriches your understanding of the culture and history behind the language. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning!